Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to dismiss an admin from a WhatsApp group on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you're on the Chats tab. In that screen, open the group chat where you want to dismiss an admin. Tap the subject of the group. This is the name of the group at the top of the chat. Scroll down. As you can see, there are multiple admins in the group. Tap the admin you wish to dismiss. Tap Dismiss as admin. As you can see, that admin has been dismissed. This is how you can dismiss an admin from a WhatsApp group on an Android device.